And today what I have for you is this end table slash dog kennel. That's right, this nice looking piece of furniture is actually a dog kennel as well. And just to back up that claim, let's see what we have or who we have. It's Tibby Tib. What's up, girl? Hi there. Hi. Oh, relax. Okay, so now that we got a little Tibby calmed down, she's quite an exciting little puppy, we can talk a little bit more about this end table slash dog kennel. Now, even though that this is a dog kennel, it does have table features as well. One being this drawer right here. It does have a nice slider drawer, and I will bring you up closer to take a better look at it. You have wireless charging, you have sturdy construction, and you also have all the creature comforts for your little furry friend. Let's go ahead and grab the camera and come take a closer look. All right, so this is an up close look at the front of the kennel. You can see that it does have this nice wood grain pattern. You have a light brown, you have a dark brown. It has like a little hint of gray, giving it that aged look, which is very cool. You have all black hardware. The front has an expanded metal grille, so you get plenty of air circulation in there, but yet it's going to be sturdy enough to keep your pet in. If we look around at the side, you can see that all the sides are expanded metal as well. It is wood grain on the outside, on the inside, but one of the cool features is if you look down here, and this is a common mistake that I've seen in the reviews when people build these, they'll put the dog bone at the top, but the dog bone actually goes on the bottom, and what it is it's a lock to lock the tray in. Because this kennel does come with a nice fuzzy and cushioned doggy bed, and you also get the tray as well. Very, very cool. And the tray is easy install. You just slide it underneath, slide in the bed, you can shut your door, and just rotate the little dog bone down, and there you have it. Everything is nice and secure. Now if we look up at the top up here, it does have charging for your devices. And that's right, this is a wireless charger. If you take your phone, place it on top, you can see my phone went straight to charging. But if your device doesn't have wireless charging, if you pull this little cover back, you have two USB ports. How cool is that? Now to look inside the drawer here, you can see it's on rollers. It slides very smoothly. And this is great for keeping your pet supplies, remote controls, or just anything else that you need to store in this area. So overall, this is a very well made little dog kennel. It's one of the coolest designs that I've seen because you get an end table out of it and you have a place where your pet can sleep and still be nearby. It's well built, made with all wood and expanded metal. It has the nice amenities like the drawer and the wireless charging. And I think that if you buy this, that you'll be quite satisfied with it. Assembly is easy. It only took me about 30 minutes to do it. And as far as an end table and a dog kennel, it gets the job done. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.